Spray disinfectants are great for killing germs around your home, but they're pretty expensive. Here's how to make one affordably right at home. Start with mixing 1 cup of water with 1 cup of rubbing alcohol in a spray bottle. Then add 20 drops of essential oil, but not any essential oil. You want one that has antibacterial properties. So you can use lemongrass, eucalyptus, peppermint, or orange. We're going to use lemongrass here. And again, that's 20 drops. Add it right to the spray bottle. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Whoop, got an extra one in there. That's okay. Now we're going to mix it up and spray it onto any surface that people are touching all the time. And you can spray it right on, and the combination of the alcohol and the essential oils will kill germs. Now, and this is important, after you spray a surface, you have to let it sit for several minutes, because that allows the alcohol and the essential oils to kill all those germs. Then come back with a dry cloth and buff it off, and you end up with a surface that's not only clean, but deodorized and sanitized.
Simple Solutions is brought to you by Titebond, the Pro's Advantage.